Hello again, everybody. Today I will give you a short explanation on how handler works, because we'll need handler to make a timer for our recorder. So the general information about handler is that handler is a class that allows us to send information to the main thread, and since we're going to be doing it with the timer, let me show you how to use handler in a simple way. First of all, before the onCreate function, we create our handler. Let's do it like private let init var my handler of type handler. Okay, and also we need okay, and we need also a start time. Let's give it null by default. Okay, we have two main variables in our onCreate function. Let's initiate the handler first. My handler, assign handler, and since we want to launch our timer on the main thread, we will need a looper. A looper is a class which controls the messages on the main thread. So we'll type looper, and we have here .get main looper. The main looper is the looper which works with the messages on the main thread. So, and to also do something with the let's try to launch logs with the handler. So we're gonna be having a function. Let's call it run logs, and let's create this function. Create a new function, run logs. In the run logs, we need to create we need to use a handler. Let's type my handler, and then post delayed. The function of post delayed, we can use two variants here. First is the post. It means that the information will be sent to the main thread immediately, and just pass runnable here, and it will be posted on the main thread. So, but we need, for this reason, post delayed right here. To use post delayed function, we need to have a runnable object and a delay in milliseconds. Let's create my runnable. We will create it later. Runnable, and then the delay of 1000. It's 1 second. And so let's create object my runnable. Okay, I'm sorry. Val my runnable of type runnable. Runnable, that's the interface. Okay, assign. Let's create an anonymous object in Kotlin. Object. Okay, let me check this one. And will be of type runnable. Runnable. And then open the curly brackets, and right here we will do all the job about our logs and about our messages. So when we use runnable interface, we need to override the function. Let's check the function. Press Ctrl and then all, and we have the run function, which is taken from the Java language runnable interface. Press OK. All right. In run function is the main job. We will do the main job. We do the main job. Let's type log.d. My log, and type a message. Let's take a message from start time. That's a variable, start time, and then type ++. We want to increase it every time we post a log, but for this let's use curly braces right here to make this function work, and also let's press Alt Enter to import the class of log. So I think we are done here. Let's check how our handler works. Okay, we have only one message and the default value of 0. Let me check. Okay, in the run function we need to use handler once again. Okay, my handler dot post delayed also, and let's use my runnable here. Okay, we need to pass two parameters here. The first is runnable object and the second is delay. Let's use my runnable, and let's use the delay of 1000. Use this. Yeah, now it's runnable. So this keyword says this function to use this runnable object in here. Let's check it once again. Open logs. Yeah, and we have the loop here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will be ticking endlessly. Okay. So this is it about handler, and this is the very simple explanation about how handler works in Android system.